from the YouTube channel.
Oh, hell yeah.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Hillbilly Honda YouTube channel. First thing we got to do is we got to unbox a new toolbox. Pretty excited about this. Been wanting this guy for a while. So we get this unboxed, get it all set up, and then we've got a bunch of work to do on a bunch of cars this weekend. So not as fun, but I figure I'd take you along for the voyage and see what kind of chaos we get into. So anyway, I'm going to get these unboxed. I got them to match my greenie there. So let's get into it. There it is. We'll see how she holds up. There's the bottom cabinet now. We're going to start working on the top cabinet. We got a couple other things to do, but you know, I'm just trying to sweeten up the look out here in the shop. And I needed to get a new toolbox because we're always getting new tools. So it was completely necessary. So when you step back and take a look at the color scheme, I'm liking it. Well, here she is, full tool cart. It's quite a bit bigger than what I thought it was going to be. Luckily, we got a decent sized ceiling in here. But anyway, the only thing that does kind of suck is standing up here trying to look in it. Not a huge deal. But guess what we get to do now, guys? And yep, that's correct. We get to load it. I know that's what you guessed. I picked up a couple necessary tools that we've been missing here in the shop. Mainly wrenches, because we have all the sockets we could dream of here in town, but we're going to need some wrenches the further we go, because you know we're good on sockets. We got that all covered. So I'm going to go ahead and have some fun here and crank on some music and load my toolbox with some stuff. We got a bunch of stuff to go in there. And I'll bring you back here in a little bit. Well, here we are. We got everything all organized and back together. Now we just got to get her placed into the spot there. And yeah, we got everything in there that we need. Plenty of room opened up on top of that, which is nice. Nice little work area there. Here we got all our tools transferred from the red box right on over. This is my favorite door right here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Everything's in. Looks like we are good. Obviously, there's still more boxes to go through, but yeah, we should do pretty good on this. This would be kind of cool. So I'm going to get these organized and put back into where they need to go, and we will be moving on. You get all that crap out of here. Moving on to working on a car. Well, I'm pretty happy with it. This obviously is not the permanent location. We got a lot of stuff to move around. Got to figure out what to do with the Work Smart, though. Don't know. Anyway. Yeah, it looks pretty good over there in the corner. Now we got a matching toolbox, which is nice. Now it's time to move all this junk out of here. Oh, no rest for the wicked. Anyway, well, yeah, this is going to be the adventure for the weekend. We got some kind of shimmy going on the old Honda. So, I mean, at least it's a Honda I'm working on. But at the same point, I don't know what's causing it yet. I bought a whole bunch of new parts. So hopefully I bought the right parts. So anyway, we got her in here. I can't believe that. Never had a car in here parked like this. That means I can get my Camaro in here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to get around to get started on this and see if we can figure out what the hell went wrong, right?
Stress reliever.
Yeah, I'm down. Let's break some glass, man. It feels really good to break glass. Well, let's take a walk around. Go for a rip.
And you charge friends $5. Oh,
got to make some money at it, right?
That's right. We walking?
Do we walk?
No.
No.
We never walk. You gotta get this on video, though.
Oh, let me get this started and get over there.
Oh, you're taking that?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, watch that door.
Look how he has to start old Smokey here. Got a dead battery. gonna be a fun night. Ah, it's raining. We'll be good.
I got all my gear out there. Oh, you got the camera on?
Yeah.
What's up?
We just got his little itty bitty 2-stroke generator that'll sit back there. It's quiet as a fucking mouse.
Run it.
It's not like a Honda, but it's quiet.
It's not like a Honda.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me.
I didn't kick up dust.
Well, if the foggers don't work, we'll just have you run in front of the laser with that thing a couple times. Hillbilly Hot. Oh, hell yeah!